Welcome to Time Expressions. In this lesson, we'll learn to talk about time and use some time expressions. At 6 o'clock. At 2:45. At midnight. At lunchtime. I start school at 8 a.m. We can also use these in the past. For example, I started school at 8 a.m. In September. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. In 2015. We go to the gym in the morning. He went to the gym in the morning. We also have time expressions that we use just in the past. Yesterday, the day before today. Last week. Last month. Last year. I went to the gym yesterday. Yesterday, I went to the gym. In this lesson, we have learnt time expressions. I start school at 8 a.m. I went to the gym in the morning. I went to the gym yesterday. I saw him last week. I bought it last month. I went there last year.